20 Personal Finance Rules School Doesn't Teach You. Welcome to our guide on personal finance rules school doesn't teach you. These are financial rules that you won't learn in school. While traditional education focuses on academic subjects, mastering personal finance is essential for navigating the real world. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore 20 key principles to help you build wealth, manage your money wisely, and secure your financial future. From budgeting and investing to debt management and retirement planning, these rules will empower you to take control of your financial life. Number 20, pay yourself first. Paying yourself first involves prioritizing saving a portion of your income before allocating funds for other expenses. This practice helps cultivate a healthy savings habit and ensures that you're consistently setting aside money for your future financial goals. By automating your savings and treating it as a non-negotiable expense, you make it easier to build wealth over time. Number 19, live below your means. Living below your means is a fundamental principle of financial success. It entails spending less than you earn, allowing you to save and invest the difference. Practicing frugality doesn't mean sacrificing your quality of life. Rather, it involves making intentional choices about how you allocate your resources. By prioritizing needs over wants and avoiding unnecessary expenses, you free up more money to pursue your long-term financial objectives. Number 18, emergency fund essentials. Establishing an emergency fund is crucial for weathering unexpected financial challenges without derailing your progress. This fund serves as a financial safety net, providing you with liquidity to cover unforeseen expenses such as medical emergencies, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to accumulate 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund, keeping the funds easily accessible in a high-yield savings account or money market fund. Number 17, create a budget and stick to it. Creating a budget is the cornerstone of effective financial management. A budget allows you to track your income and expenses, identify areas where you can cut back, and allocate funds towards your financial goals. To maximize its effectiveness, be sure to track your spending diligently, review your budget regularly, and adjust as needed to stay on track. Consistency and discipline are key to successfully sticking to your budget over the long term. Number 16, avoid bad debt. Distinguishing between good debt and bad debt is essential for maintaining a healthy financial life. Good debt, such as a mortgage or student loans, can be beneficial when used strategically to finance assets that appreciate in value or generate income. On the other hand, bad debt, such as high-interest credit card debt or payday loans, can quickly spiral out of control and hinder your financial progress. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt aggressively to free up more resources for saving and investing. Number 15, invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the most valuable investments you can make. This involves continuously acquiring new skills, expanding your knowledge, and investing in your personal and professional development. Whether through formal education, online courses, workshops, or networking opportunities, committing to lifelong learning enhances your earning potential, opens up new career opportunities, and improves your overall quality of life. Number 14, understand your credit score. Your credit score plays a significant role in your financial life, influencing your ability to access credit, secure favorable loan terms, and even qualify for rental housing or employment. Understanding how credit scores are calculated and how they impact your financial health is essential for making informed decisions. Monitor your credit report regularly, address any errors or discrepancies promptly, and adopt healthy credit habits such as paying bills on time and maintaining a low credit utilization ratio. Number 13, diversify your investments. Diversification is a fundamental principle of investing that involves spreading your investment portfolio across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions. By diversifying your investments, you reduce the overall risk of your portfolio and increase the likelihood of achieving consistent returns over time. Consider allocating your investments across stocks, bonds, real estate, and other asset classes to achieve a balanced and diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Number 12, take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts offer valuable benefits that can help you maximize your savings and minimize your tax liability. Employer-sponsored retirement accounts such as 400 and Onyx and individual retirement accounts, IRAs, allow you to contribute pre-tax or tax-deductible funds, allowing your investments to grow tax-deferred until retirement. Health savings accounts, HSAs, offer triple tax benefits, allowing you to contribute pre-tax dollars, enjoy tax-free growth, and withdraw funds tax-free for qualified medical expenses. Maximize your contributions to these accounts to take full advantage of their tax benefits and accelerate your journey towards financial independence. Number 11, automate your finances. Automating your finances simplifies the process of managing your money and ensures that you stay on track with your financial goals. Set up automatic transfers to move money into your savings, investment, and retirement accounts each month. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees and missed payments. By establishing automated systems, you remove the need for manual intervention and reduce the likelihood of human error. This hands-off approach to money management frees up your time and mental energy to focus on other aspects of your life while ensuring that your finances remain organized and optimized. These details provide a deeper understanding of each financial principle and offer practical insights into how to implement them effectively in your life. By mastering these foundational rules of personal finance, you'll be better equipped to build wealth, achieve financial security, and pursue your long-term financial goals. Number 10, build multiple income streams. Building multiple income streams is essential for achieving financial stability and resilience in today's unpredictable economy. Relying solely on a single source of income exposes you to greater financial risk, especially in the event of job loss or economic downturns. Explore opportunities to diversify your income by pursuing side hustles, freelancing, investing in rental properties, or starting a small business. By creating multiple streams of income, you can increase your earning potential, reduce dependency on a single source of income, and build greater financial security over time. Number 9, master the art of negotiation. Negotiation is a valuable skill that can significantly impact your financial success in various aspects of life, from salary negotiations to purchasing goods and services. Learning how to negotiate effectively can help you secure better deals, maximize your earnings, and save money on purchases. Practice active listening, do your research, and be prepared to articulate your needs and interests confidently during negotiations. By mastering the art of negotiation, you can unlock opportunities to increase your income, reduce expenses, and improve your overall financial well-being. Number 8, prioritize financial independence. Financial independence is the ultimate goal of personal finance, providing you with the freedom to live life on your own terms without being reliant on a paycheck or external sources of income. Achieving financial independence requires careful planning, disciplined saving, and strategic investing over time. Define what financial independence means to you and set specific goals to work towards this objective. Whether you aim to retire early, pursue your passions, or travel the world, prioritizing financial independence empowers you to design the life you desire and enjoy greater autonomy over your time and choices. Number 7, cultivate a growth mindset. Cultivating a growth mindset is essential for achieving long-term success and resilience in the face of challenges. Embrace the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work, rather than being fixed traits. Adopt a positive attitude towards learning, view setbacks as opportunities for growth, and persist in the face of obstacles. By fostering a growth mindset, you'll be better equipped to overcome adversity, adapt to change, and continue progressing towards your financial goals with confidence and determination. Number 6, practice delayed gratification. This is one of the most basic personal finance rules school doesn't teach you. Delayed gratification is a critical skill that involves resisting the temptation for immediate rewards in favor of long-term benefits. Learn to prioritize your long-term financial goals over short-term desires by delaying gratification and exercising self-discipline. Instead of succumbing to impulse purchases or instant gratification, focus on saving and investing your money wisely to achieve greater rewards in the future. Develop strategies to curb impulse spending, such as implementing a 24-hour rule before making non-essential purchases or tracking your progress towards your financial goals to stay motivated. Number 5, continuously educate yourself. Continuously educating yourself about personal finance is essential for making informed decisions and staying abreast of changes in the financial landscape. Take advantage of resources such as books, podcasts, online courses, and seminars to expand your knowledge and improve your financial literacy. Stay informed about key financial concepts, investment strategies, and economic trends that may impact your financial well-being. By investing in your financial education, you'll be better equipped to navigate complex financial decisions, avoid common pitfalls, and build wealth more effectively over time. Number 4, practice mindful spending. Practicing mindful spending involves being intentional and deliberate about how you allocate your financial resources, ensuring that your spending aligns with your values and priorities. Before making a purchase, take the time to evaluate whether it contributes to your overall well-being and supports your long-term goals. Consider adopting budgeting techniques such as the 50-30/20 rule, which allocates 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. By practicing mindful spending, you'll cultivate a healthier relationship with money, reduce financial stress, and achieve greater satisfaction with your purchases. Number 3, plan for the unexpected. Planning for the unexpected is a crucial aspect of financial planning that involves preparing for unforeseen events and emergencies that may disrupt your financial stability. Establishing an emergency fund, obtaining adequate insurance coverage, and creating a comprehensive estate plan are essential steps in mitigating financial risks and protecting your assets. Aim to build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to cover unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies, job loss, or major car repairs. Review your insurance policies regularly to ensure they provide adequate coverage for your needs and update your estate plan as necessary to reflect any significant life changes. Number 2, invest in your health. Investing in your health is one of the most valuable investments you can make as it lays the foundation for your overall well-being and longevity. Prioritize activities that promote physical fitness, mental health, and emotional resilience, such as regular exercise, nutritious eating, stress management, and adequate sleep. Take preventive measures to safeguard your health, such as scheduling routine medical checkups, vaccinations, and screenings. By prioritizing your health, you'll not only enjoy a higher quality of life, but also reduce healthcare costs and improve your financial outlook in the long run. Number 1, cultivate gratitude and contentment. Cultivating gratitude and contentment is essential for finding joy and fulfillment in your financial journey, regardless of your current circumstances. Practice gratitude by reflecting on the blessings in your life and expressing appreciation for the people, experiences, and opportunities that enrich your existence. Shift your focus from what you lack to what you have, and embrace a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. By cultivating gratitude and contentment, you'll foster a positive outlook on life, reduce the impulse for excessive consumption, and enhance your overall sense of well-being and satisfaction. Navigating the complexities of personal finance requires knowledge, discipline, and foresight. By following these 20 personal finance rules, you can build a solid foundation for financial success and create a brighter future for yourself and your loved ones. Remember to stay proactive, adapt to changing circumstances, and continuously strive for improvement on your financial journey. With dedication and perseverance, you can achieve your financial goals and live a life of abundance and security. Other important personal financial rules school doesn't teach you includes the active save. Saving 10% of your salary is taught in school. However, this isn't enough to retire on. Unless you make millions, most people with regular paychecks should save 25 to 40%. 10% is not useless. It might be a good beginning point for savings. Reduce expenses and unneeded prices to save more. Instead of buying coffee every morning, save it in a higher interest account. Borrow wisely. Borrowing is necessary eventually. Borrowing prudently for education, a car, or a home is crucial. Here, good and bad debt must be distinguished. Good debt, like a home, education, or company startup loan, invests in their future. You buy it now for a good return later. These accumulate assets. Bad debt includes credit card and needless loan debt. This depletes your resources over time, yielding a negative return. It builds liabilities. Never chew more than what you can swallow relates to borrowing perfectly. Avoid borrowing more than you can afford. One poor or rash decision can set you back years. Living within your means. Overspending on unneeded products is simple when you want fast gratification. In the real world, you must distinguish needs from wants and prioritize spending based on your budget. Before buying, ask yourself if you need it or just want it. You don't have to be poor or spend anything to live below your means. It simply means prioritizing and spending money on what matters. Consider a secondary gig to make extra money. This helps you augment your income and live below your means. Seek professional advice when needed. Learn to opt for professional advice before investing your money into any investments or projects. Carry out the feasibility study about the investments before you put your money into it. And so, those are the 20 personal finance rules school doesn't teach you. I hope you found this video valuable. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content on personal finance and wealth building. Share this video with your friends and family. Financial knowledge is power. Let's empower each other. Thank you for joining us, and we wish you success on your journey to financial freedom.